Hello Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well or nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. In today's reading, tingnan natin paano yung mga ganap, mga gabay, mga energies and messages for you for the month of May 2025. Also, maraming salamat for supporting my channel by not skipping ads. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Gemini. Tingnan natin energies and messages for you. We have the King of Pentacles. We have the Three of Cups. Merong success dito sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Or sa inyong trabaho. For some of you, you are doing well in your business or namamayagpag. Maganda yung takbo ng inyong negosyo or ng inyong trabaho. Okay? Yeah. Also, there is partnership here. We have the Strength and then the High Priestess. You are aligning with someone, no? Merong collaboration dito, merong pagkakaintindihan, okay? May mga difficulties along the way, may mga challenges, but because of your strength, no? Innate strength, kumbaga, nalalagpasan mo ito, okay? Kahit mahirap pa, no, ang iyong sitwasyon ngayon, pero you are courageous, you are brave, no? You are passionate in what you are doing. Kaya nalalagpasan mo yung mga challenges or mga pagsubok, okay? Yeah, for some of you, use your intuition, lalo na in making or before taking action or before making a decision, okay? There is something that you know, so just keep it to yourself. If kung meron ka mga plano about buying on something, changing a job, no, or change of location, just keep it to yourself, okay? Yeah, for some of you, may mga frustrations, pero nasusolusyonan, nabibigyan, yeah, may nasusolusyonan, okay? Parang nagkakaroon ng clarity yung mga magulo na sitwasyon, okay? For some of you, merong healing, emotional healing dito, no? Dahil nalagpasan mo yung mga challenges or mga trials. Merong renewal of hope dito, no? Merong bagong pag-asa para sa'yo. Okay? May mga sudden change, no? In your situation or sa inyong dynamics. Okay? For some of you, this is something na parang ikinagugulat mo, no? So, you need to address this also directly, communicate, no? Yeah, for some of you, direct communication is needed here. Knight of Wands, yeah, and take action, no? Communicate and take action. Kung may problema, address it directly or right away, no? Yeah, for some of you, you need to be inspired. You need to take inspired action para magawa mo yung mga kailangan mong i-achieve, okay, or ma-accomplish. Also, ingat din sa pagiging impulsive, no? Papadalos-dalos sa mga ginagawa or sa mga desisyon mo, no? Adventure await, but be wise, be smart. Yeah, for some of you, you are in a competitive environment, maybe sa trabaho to, or sa negosyo, no? Yeah. You need to sustain your energy, no? You need to be hopeful. You need to be positive, no? Be a positive thinker. Yeah, there is a lucky break for you here. Merong good luck na darating, no? Merong change of destiny dito, no? You are, kumbaga, parang ito ay nararamdaman mo na. So, you are just waiting for that right time. Okay? For some of you, parang nakikita mo na, no? Yung success. Meron kang foresight, kumbaga. Merong progress sa nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. Maybe sa trabaho mo to or life in general. Okay? Merong expansion dito sa work or expansion ng business. Also, merong opportunity abroad. And you are moving forward, no? Family is important to you. You're thinking about sa welfare ng iyong pamilya or aside from yourself, no? Parang iniisip mo sila. Okay? Also, merong contentment dito sa dynamics ng inyong family sa ngayon. Yeah, merong emotional fulfillment dito. Okay? For some of you, kung ano yung kailangan ng family, parang napoprovide, no? Or maybe you are a provider in your family. You're a good provider. Okay? Eight of Cups, yeah, you are leaving disappointment, no? You are walking away from a toxic situation, no? You are walking away from any issues sa work matter or issues about family, okay? You have the Magician. You are a powerful person. You are a decision maker, okay? You are driven. You are taking action. You are making things happen, no? So, meron kang kakayahan para magawa mo kung anong gusto mong mangyari, kung anong dinidesire mo. Okay? You just have to have that willpower, no? To take action. Yeah, you are manifesting success. You are manifesting victory, kumbaga. Okay? So, parang yung galing mo, nare-recognize, no? Merong public recognition dito. Also, kung meron kang doubt sa sarili mo, na-overcome mo yan. Okay? Merong confidence dito. Also, for some of you, you are receiving good news. No? If not, then this is a promotion. No? Yeah. Meron kang na-accomplish something na parang nagbibigay sa inyo ng pride. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are thinking big. Okay? You want something big. So, kailan mo din to pagtrabahuhan. Be confident. Also, meron kang guardian angel na gumagabay, nagbibigay sa inyo ng guidance. Merong tulong na paparating or merong tumutulong sa inyo, no? Slow and steady. Merong financial growth, pero slow and steady. Okay? Basta may growth. Kahit papano. Alright? Seven of Cups. Page of Pentacles. And the Seven of Swords. Be strategic, no? There is something, maybe a financial opportunity to, no? Na gusto mong pag-aralan or you are manifesting an opportunity. So, you need to plan about this. You need to be strategic, no? Para makuha mo yung outcome na dinidesire mo. Okay? Yeah. You have also high hopes, no? High hopes na ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. Na may ma-achieve ka na something, a milestone. Alright? Also, yeah, you are thinking, no? Beware of wishful thinking or illusion. Alright? Yung iba sa inyo, may mga opportunities around you. So, may mga choices or opportunities around you. Different situations. So, siguro kailangan mong suriin or pag-aralan ng mabuti bawat option or bawat choice, no? Bago ka gumawa ng desisyon or bago ka gumawa ng hakbang. Okay? Also, pay attention to your imagination, no? Versus doon sa realidad, no? Okay? We have the Seven of Pentacles. You are thinking about long-term success. Okay? I think kailangan mo ng perseverance dito and hard work. No? Kung gusto mong mag-increase ang inyong finances, kung gusto mong maging successful ang inyong negosyo, something like that, hard work and perseverance is needed. At kailangan ng sipag, no? Sipagan pa, kumbaga. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, merong frustrations, but masusolusyonan mo ito. May mga frustration ka sa work mo to or sa business or kung ano man, no? Yung meron kayo ngayon. But masusolusyonan ito. Okay? Merong ending of struggle dito, ending of a difficult situation. For some of you, you are very stressed, no? Parang masakit yung likod nyo. Okay? Merong back pain or sa shoulder, something like that. No? Kailangan mo ng pahinga. Okay? Yeah, focus, no? Kung merong may nag-fail something na aspeto in your life, no? Merong chance for you na ma-offer ka mo yun, merong chance, kumbaga, na may iangat mo uli yung sarili mo, na makabangon ka. Okay? Believe or focus, no, sa inyong goal or sa desired outcome na gusto mong mangyari. Okay? Be a leader, be mature, no? Communicate your vision. For some of you, you need someone, no, na magbibigay sa inyo ng advice, a creative advice, or makapagbigay sa inyo ng solusyon over a problem, over a struggle. Okay? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are very, you are a compassionate person, no? You are also someone na kailangan mo ng comfort from your family or from your loved ones. Or this is you need to take care of yourself. You need to nurture yourself, no? Develop yourself further. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo, yung health mo, something like that. Okay? Parang wag puro trabaho. Because, parang lagi kang nag-iisip, no? Lagi kang nag-iisip about improvement. Ano pa yung mga pwedeng gawin. Okay? Para ma-achieve mo yung goal na gusto mo. You are manifesting abundance, no? Parang inspired ka. Maybe, nag-iisip ka about a business venture, no? Or a passion project na kailangan mong umpisahan or gusto mong umpisahan. Okay? There will be abundance here. May mga financial opportunity na ipipresent sa'yo. Okay, so it's up to you, no? If you're going to take this or not. Yeah, 10 of Wands. Okay, you have extra. May mga extra, ano tawag dito? Parang ang daming burden, ang daming mong ginagawa, ang daming mong obligations, responsibility, okay? You are stressed already or parang ang daming nakadepende sa'yo. No? So, I think, kailangan mo lang dito ng perseverance and keep going. No? Yeah, kasi meron ding ending dito ng burden eh. So, parang konting tiyaga pa, kumbaga. Okay? For some of you, may mga anxieties or lack of focus ka or kulang ka sa tulog, kulang ka sa pahinga. You are depressed, you are thinking about someone, okay? You are worried about someone, okay? Yeah, for some of you, merong ending dito. There is a new beginning, merong change na mangyayari. Okay? In your situation. From darkness, no? There is light at the end of the tunnel. Makukuha mo din yung justisya na gusto mo. Okay? Also, you will be receiving favors from other people. Okay? You will be finding balance in your situation. Also, parang merong problem dito about legalities. May mga court hearings, something like that. May mga legal case na kailangan mong, or may mga legal case dito, no? Or may mga violation dito. Okay, na kailangan mong harapin. Okay, that's for some of you. Problem with an officer. 4 of Wands, okay. You will be receiving favor, okay? Parang ikaw yung papanigan dito, and this is something, an achievement for you. There is a celebration here. Justice will favor you, something like that, okay? Or kung meron kang kaso, mapapanalunan mo to, or, yeah. Okay? We have the 2 of Wands. May mga travel plans ka, may mga gusto kang gawin, pero sa ngayon, hindi mo pa magawa. No? Parang plano mo lang to. Parang you are inspired of doing that. Maybe, yeah, for some of you, you are thinking about traveling abroad. No? Yeah. You are making decision about this. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are a leader, no? Sa trabaho mo, maybe mataas yung rango mo or may posisyon ka, okay? Stable, no? Or secured yung trabaho mo, something like that. Yeah, for some of you, you demand respect. You demand justice for some of you. Okay? Also, sinasabi din dito, focus on your desired goals. Okay? Planning is needed. System is needed. Alright? May mga difficult ka na mga desisyon na kailangan mong gawin or kailangan mong harapin. Kailangan mo lang ng clarity over a situation. Maybe you keep on reassessing a situation. You are weighing options for some of you. Also, may mga conflict dito. Okay? May mga bullying tactics na nangyayari. Merong nang bubully, something like that. Okay? Yeah. You are winning at all costs, no? For some of you. Right? May mga competition, may mga conflict. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, merong suspension, no? Of action dito. Okay? Merong, parang nagre-reflect ka on your free time, something like that. May mga new perspective kang naiisip dito, no? But for now, parang sa ngayon, parang wala ka pang, parang hindi mo pa magawa. Okay? Yeah. Also, sacrifice is needed here. Sacrifice. And be patient. Right? Yeah, for some of you, you have to let go. Kung ano man itong mga conflict, no? Or kung ano man itong mga, kung merong nangbubuli sa'yo, or pinapahiya ka, something like that, you have to let go of that. Knight of Swords. Yeah, you are ambitious, you are driven for some of you. May mga naisip ka ng mga solusyon, no? May mga naisip ka mga ideas, pero take your time to review it, no? Before you take action or before you make a decision. Okay? You are driven to succeed here. And you are looking forward to it. Yeah, there is a successful completion of something. Parang mangyayari yung gusto ninyong mangyayari. Okay? That cannot be, kumbaga, parang ano yun, parang universe na, parang it is destined to happen, kumbaga, yung success na to. Okay? Victory, success, accomplishment, attainment. Alright? Okay. Yeah, for some of you, do not lose hope, no? Iwasan mo yung pag-iisip na parang may kulang, something like that, or hindi mo kaya. So, be confident. Do not worry, okay? Also, meron kang good news na matatangkap, okay? Maybe a creative opportunity to advance, no? Also, merong gustong, may naisip ka na mga, siguro gusto mong negosyo or passion project na gusto mong umpisahan. Okay? So, be positive. Yeah, for some of you, there is a happy surprise here. Parang hindi mo to inaasahan. Maybe from someone na younger or younger yung energy. Maybe from a child, no? From a son. Okay? May mga good news na paparating. Okay? Yeah, Page of Wands. Yeah, be excited about the future. You have a lot of ideas in mind. Okay? So, be inspired. Yeah. For some of you, you believe that you are in the right direction. Okay? Nasa tamang daan ka, tamang path ka. Okay? Also, may mga tao din na parang, parang kumukuha ng information about you. So, ingat lang din. Alright? Mayroong new beginning dito sa inyo or fresh start. Okay? So, do not be afraid to take bold step here. No? You are worried or bothered about uncertainty. Or for some of you, yeah, na baka hindi mo makuha yung ano yung deserve mo, okay? Merong uncertainty dyan. So, let go of that. Let go of negativity or fears, no? Let go of that. Also, listen to your intuition, no? Most especially kung meron kang mga kausap na tao. Okay? Huwag basta-basta magtiwala or alam mo yun? Okay? Merong collaboration dito and teamwork, no? Merong planning, discussion, pag-uusap about a goal. For some of you, about building a house, construction of a house or renovation. Okay? There is a talk or discussion about security, no? About long-term goals. Maybe discussion this about yeah, about someone, no? Maybe a child, no? About sa future niya, okay? About sa stability niya, okay? Merong ganun. Tingnan natin additional messages for Gemini. For some of you, you have a lot of responsibilities here and siguro parang meron kang anxiety or pagod. Something like that. So, parang nawawala ka sa focus kung minsan. Okay? Merong shield. You need to defend yourself. Okay? Sa mga umaatake sa'yo or merong mga inggit sa'yo, no? You need to defend yourself, no? Or mas maigi, choose your battles wisely. Huwag mo na lang pagtuunan ng pansin, lalo na kung mga petty, no? Parang hindi worthy ng iyong energy, no? Huwag mong pansinin. Okay? Protect yourself here. May sinasabi dito, protect yourself. Defend yourself. Okay? Defend or protect your success. Merong mice. Discord among friends or family. Or for some of you, merong disconnection, no? Disconnection from friends or from family. Okay? A family member. Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan. No? Oops. Merong younger man. Okay? Merong issues or may concern about a younger person. Okay, a younger man. Okay. Merong box. You will receive a gift. Yeah, for some of you, you will be receiving a gift. No? Or you will be receiving attention and time. Okay, from someone. And we have the axe. Forces working against you. So, may mga tao, no? May mga forces, may mga tao or energies that is working against you. Para bang merong naninira sa'yo or merong mga tao na ayaw sa'yo. Okay? It's like meron kang gustong mangyari pero nag-o-oppose sila sa'yo. Something like that. Okay? So, be careful with that. Alright? Yeah. So, that's why you need to protect yourself. Merong paninira dito. No? Merong discord among friends or family. So, one more for Gemini. Gemini. We have learn to ride the waves of life. When faced with difficult times, you can either fight against the current or go with it. So, ask yourself, what is to be gained by depleting your energy and fighting against it? Don't do that to yourself. Okay? So, parang sinasabi lang din dito, no? Choose your battles wisely, no? Yeah. Parang kailangan mo i-preserve din yung energy mo sa, you know, from something na hindi naman worthy ng inyong time or energy or ng inyong attention. Okay? Alright. So, these are the messages for you, Gemini. Maraming salamat, all the best, and see you on the next video. Bye!